future plan ahead, and the information about the COVID certificates which Moksh is also offering. All right. Now, tips to survive the COVID wave. Now, this is very important. You might feel I'm being a little philosophical, but yes, that's how it is. You need to understand this very, very clearly. First of all, if you are in your medical school and haven't appeared for any of the USMLE steps, stop bothering about what's happening in the outside world, because you will be an applicant in 2022, 23, not before that. Your job is to seriously study for SEMLE. That's it. Don't even worry when the exam will open, and when all. See, minimum time required for both step 1 and CK is at least a year. So you need to just focus on your exams. That's it. Make the most out of lockdown. At Moksh, I am going to make a big announcement in a few minutes. You have the opportunity to grab that announcement and actually practice as much as you can. Second point, have your COVID story ready. I have been stressing this, I don't know how long, for each and every student of mine. You are all medicos right now. Believe me, even if you are going to apply 5 years down the line, there might be an interaction in the interview or elsewhere where people would want to know, when such a global level of pandemic happened, what were you doing? If you are just in first, second, third year, no problem. How did you contribute? What kind of NGOs were you part of? If not NGOs, what kind of awareness did you did? Did you go on Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp? How did you educate people? Wash out rumors. Or if you are already in internship here, what was your COVID duties? What kind of survival stories did you see? If you are a graduate, did you participate in any clinical trial? Because that's all my students are doing. My students have been launching campaigns for the blood donation drive and awareness of people that, boss, if you are fine, if you are, if you do not have any history of illnesses, you are safe to, with a safe precaution, step out and donate blood. So that kind of education, motivation, these things are important. How are you becoming part of this civil society and trying to make a difference? This will be a big thing in your CV. How many ever certificates you attach, but if you do not have a story of empathy, compassion, and the delivery of your, selfless service as a physician or an aspiring physician to the society, that is what program directors will be, interested to know about. Work on your CV consistently. There are so many opportunities. At the start of this lockdown period, a lot of my students started doing courses. There was Gujarat government sponsored COVID certificate courses. People started doing those courses. Any opportunity coming in to work on your CV, do that. I will give you such opportunities in this session in few minutes from now. Make your goals diary. Now, this is something people might wonder, what is to do with USMLE? No, it is. Your personal and professional milestones should be very clear. Unless I write my dream, it is never going to be my goal. Please write it down very clearly. What are your short-term goals, long-term goals at every level? Believe me, it is possible. A lot of times I hear from students, no, USMLE is difficult and people don't get match. Yes, it is correct. If you feel negative about the thing, it will never going to happen for you. And I know of people with extraordinary circumstances, with lot of financial hardships, with lot of hard work, lot of personal losses during the journey, and today they are successfully fighting the COVID war in the US. So if you are positive and if you are clear to take on the journey, there is no dream which is not going to be fulfilled for you. But if you from day one are going to be, spectate, in retrospective, if you see, you might wonder that why didn't I take that chance? Do not give that opportunity of regret to yourself. Plan things out, go all out. I am not just saying for USMLE, but for your life. If you are going to plan things out, things are going to work out. COVID has given us the best opportunity to give us a pause, give us a break, and find out what are our priorities, what are things which are important, and try eliminating the distractions. There is nothing best what you could do than avoiding the social media and a lot of the things which are actually irrelevant to your entire journey. I mean, use social media, but for positives. My point is, please be very, very clear in terms of your expectations. And last but not the least, network, network, and network. Very, very important. I'm telling you right now, my students are writing to the professors in the universities in US seeking some opportunity for research. My students have approached COVID hospitals in India in different cities and are part of clinical trial research. My students are actually approaching their medical college in terms of any help they can do to volunteer so that it helps them in the CV. My students are part of the global medical student organizations and trying to make a change with becoming part of the thought leadership protocols. My students are connecting to their seniors who have successfully matched 3 years, 4 years, 5 years ago in the American system via Facebook, via LinkedIn. I am telling you, you never know how things can work around. I will just give you a short story. I know time is an issue for a lot of you, but one of the interview when one of my student was entering into an interview, that was back in 5 years ago, okay? And while she was just about to kind of enter the interview room, she met one of her tuition friends, after many years ago, and they were both together in the PCB tuition, all right? They hugged each other. They, I mean, discussed how did they reach, because that particular friend of hers had matched last year. She was already a PGY1 resident. And the program director noticed this interaction. And after the interview, she did ask, how did you know this girl? And when the background and feedback was given, well, that student of mine got matched into the same program. There was a case where student had approached the alumni. The alumni talked highly about the student, incoming student, to their program director. And yes, during the interview, actually the student also proved himself and he successfully got matched in the same program. So I have hundreds of stories where network have proved like anything. You need to hustle for yourself. Your story is your story, all right? And you should not outsource these dreams to anybody else. So as long as you are going to kind of go for it, I mean, any wave, even a COVID cannot do anything with you, let me tell you, and let me assure you this, all right?